Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, and welcome to another video. My name is Danny, and I'm a Salesforce consultant at Solve. Today, we're going to be talking about the differences between Tableau and Salesforce Dashboards. They seem like similar products, and honestly, they do have a lot in common, but there are some key differences that we want to highlight to help you make a choice between the two. The first attribute I'd like to talk about is connecting to external data. Salesforce Dashboards pull from data that's already within Salesforce, whereas with Tableau, it can pull from Salesforce among other data sources. This leads us to our next attribute, which is connecting to multiple data sources. Salesforce Dashboards are only scoped to handle the data that's already in Salesforce, whereas with Tableau, you can connect to multiple sources. In Tableau, not only can you connect to Salesforce, but also databases and servers. The next attribute is speed. Tableau and Salesforce Dashboards both handle their data pretty quickly. When it comes to creating visualizations, Salesforce Dashboards can be very easy, especially if your team already uses Salesforce as a platform. However, it comes with certain limitations into the complexity of the visualizations that you'd like to create. Tableau handles these complex scenarios, but it may be a learning curve for your team if they're not familiar with the platform. Tableau handles data cleaning in a tool called Tableau Prep. This makes it easier to create visualizations without mistakes. Salesforce Dashboards do not really have any sort of data cleaning tool, and so your data cleaning would need to happen in the reports themselves. Both of these platforms allow you to create calculated fields that are not already represented within your data, so that's not very much of a deciding factor. Both Tableau and Salesforce Dashboard allow for real-time reporting, pulling in data within each minute or otherwise specified time increment. Because the data is native in Salesforce Dashboards, this makes it a lot faster. In Tableau, the data can be pulled in real time as well. However, when it gets to big data sources, this comes with a trade-off. If you need your information to be up to date at all times, this will come with a speed trade-off. Whereas if you pull in your data in large extracts, this will lose out on the real time. However, it will make visualizations much faster. The next attribute is scalability. Past a certain threshold, Salesforce dashboards are no longer suitable for large data sets, and so it may be worth a transition to Tableau. If you have data that's outside of Salesforce, this is a pretty good indicator that Tableau would be a good option. Salesforce dashboards can only report on data that's already in Salesforce, whereas Tableau can pull in from multiple sources, and they don't even have to be CRM data. If your team is already using Salesforce, then dashboards are available to you in your current licensing, whereas Tableau is a separate license. Permissions are another thing to consider, as some users should have access to certain data, but not others. In both platforms, these permissions can be set up. Here's a summary of all the attributes of Tableau and Salesforce Dashboards side by side for your comparison. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.